Hello, friends, and welcome to this discussion. I hope that you are all doing well. Today, I'll be taking you through what you can do when your embassy is not performing well in scheduling of the DV interviews so that you can increase your chances of getting interviewed and getting your diversity visa and living your dream of being a US resident at last. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing, like, share, and let your friends and family know about our channel so that they can benefit in their immigration journey from the information that we have. Previously, I did a discussion on when a high case number receives a 2NL before a low case number, and I'm going to link it in the description area of this discussion. Therefore, you can check it out so that you can have a deep understanding of how the operations of a US embassy affects your chances of getting interviewed. This has become a very common question where someone asks the reason as to why someone with a high case number has been scheduled for DV interview before someone else with a low case number. And this could be as a result of the various US embassies operations which are different, such that the person with a high case number is lucky enough to be in a US embassy that is performing well in the scheduling of the DV interviews, while someone with a lower case number unlikely is in a US embassy that is not performing so well in the scheduling of the same DV interviews. Therefore, it happens, and the reason as to why one US embassy might perform better than the other is because the one that is not performing well could be having a lot of cases allocated to it. It could also be as a result of having a backlog and many other reasons which have been discussed in the linked discussion, so you can check it out. So what do you do when you notice that your US embassy is not performing well? The first thing you need to do is to unlock your DS260 form. You unlock your DS260 form. The next thing is, once you've unlocked your DS260 form, is to update the details on the location of your interview. That is, you make a change of the location of your interview by choosing a US embassy that you know is performing well in the scheduling of the DV interviews. Then you need to email KCC about the change and have a good detailed reason as to why you make this change. And some of the good reasons that could make the KCC to approve your change could be: one, maybe you've moved to that country and now you're living in that country, or you've relocated to that country and living with a relative, so you need to have your interview in the country that you're now residing in. So you write an email to KCC and inform them about your change, and they can either accept or reject, but with a good reason they are going to accept. And once they have accepted and your details have been transferred to the US embassy, which is performing well in the scheduling of DV interviews, then you have a high chance of getting interviewed. And when you perform well at the interview, then you also have a high chance of getting your DV, your diversity visa. And friends, that's my advice to someone who is in a US embassy that is not performing well in the scheduling of the DV interviews. I will link a page where you can check how the various US embassies are performing in the description area of this discussion. If you found this information useful, if you found some value in this discussion, Please consider subscribing, like, and share with your friends and family. Let them also benefit from this information in their immigration journey. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section so that I can answer it direct or with a video. I hope to see you all in the next ones. Bye.